Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Today I am going to present expected trading zones for the natural gas futures for the week of October 7, 2018. First of all, I would like to explain about the movement of natural gas futures during the last week, where you can find clear impact of bearish inventory of 98 billion, where natural gas moved above the level of $3.250, but now the weather forecast in general looks less supportive to natural gas over the next 8 to 14 days, but I find that the level of $3 will provide a good support on the lower side to natural gas futures. So let us have a look at the movement of natural gas futures in a daily chart, where I have marked some resistance and support levels for the movement of natural gas futures during the upcoming week. So these are my support levels and these are my resistance levels where natural gas futures may find resistance. Friends, you can notice the uptrend move during the past few trading sessions of natural gas futures in a daily chart. I have tried to denote this move with sky blue color in a box for your convenience, which shows that after finding a good support here at the level of $2.767, natural gas futures started their upward journey with sharp moves, and you can see that after finding support at this uptrend line again and again, they remained in this uptrend zone. Natural gas futures are still maintaining inside this uptrend zone, and I find that during the upcoming week we will find a sharp up move in the daily chart, where they will find their first support. The level of $3.131 will provide good support, where the first support level exists. If natural gas futures break this first support level, they will find their second support at the level of $3.027. One thing is very important to be noticed in this daily chart, that 200 days moving average of natural gas futures here, and all the moving averages are indicating the continuation of an uptrend in natural gas futures during the upcoming week. So I find that the level of $3.131 will provide a good bounce to natural gas futures, because there is a thick presence of natural gas moves between the level of $131 to $3.147. You can see that a lot of buying opportunity on any downward move up to the level of $3.131. We will see sharp up moves from these levels. So first let us have a look at the same chart pattern in a 4-hour time frame. So this is my expected trading zone for natural gas futures in a 4-hour chart. Here you can see that natural gas futures are still maintaining inside this uptrend zone, which I have denoted with sky blue color in a box. On an inventory day on last Thursday, natural gas futures moved downward up to the level of $3.131, where they witnessed a lot of buying and went back with a good reversal. No doubt on the last trading session of the week, natural gas futures found some selling pressure at the time of closing, but finally they closed in a positive territory, which indicates a gap up opening at these levels inside this green zone. If we find a gap up opening on the first trading session of the next week, we will see natural gas futures to test first resistance level, and no doubt that from there they may take a downward move back up to the level of $3.147, and I find that from there they will again take a steep upward move up to these levels, and I find that the move above this uptrend line will find a lot of selling pressure on every upward move, but growing demand for natural gas to meet the winter heating demand and electric generation demand from the industries will provide a good boost to natural gas bulls to go long from the current level. So for a more clear view, let us have a look at the same pattern in a 1-hour chart. Here you can see that these are my expected trading zones. This is gap up zone, this is zone where at the same level, and this is a gap down zone. Friends, everything is possible when we trade the most liquid commodity of the world, which is natural gas. So be ready for a volatile week during the upcoming days. Natural gas may try indecisive moves, but the overall trend will remain upward, and I find that natural gas futures will try to remain up and down amid this zone, and finally the natural gas may take take a breakout on the announcement of upcoming inventory on coming Thursday. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, share this video with your more and more friends and ask them to subscribe my channel for getting more updates on a regular basis. Thank you.